how do you choose the stories that you want to tell?
Two things about me as a filmmaker. We focus on some type of victory, on possibilities of us. Two, I want to focus on cultural enrichment, right? What's enriching to our culture. We were at Sundance Film Festival in 2023, premiering a film that I executive produced with Qasim Basir. But while we were there, we had an Airbnb and we were talking about projects. And then we started talking about different kinds of things that was going on in our community. And then we came up with the seeds for a project. And then when we came back to California, we began to develop on that project, right? So that just came from just conversations and being in community. For my documentary projects, it's really like what's happening, right? The beauty and magnificence is already there, and it's just about us being creative enough to capture it, right? So one of the documentaries we shot that's in Ghana, it was around a particular conference. It was around a bunch of ceremonies. So when people were telling me about what they were going to do in Ghana, I said, that's a movie.
I come from a healthy 60s, 70s civil rights family, and so it's always about fixing the lies that were told about our history or about our organizations, about our people. Or even giving a different vantage point, rather, to the plights of the heroes that we celebrate. There are so many stories, there's so many avenues, there's so many ways that we have yet to be expressed and understood that it's just only right to use this medium to do that.